Russian troops and journalists were forced to flee from a Ukrainian attack just seconds after launching their own. It happened in the Donbas region, an area Putin is relentlessly targeting in a bid to capture eastern Ukraine. Russian forces are bombarding towns and cities in eastern Ukraine with the declared aim of liberating the old industrial heartland known as Donbas. Having abandoned his campaign to capture the capital Kyiv and second city Kharkiv, Vladimir Putin is now looking for military victory in the largely Russian-speaking East, where he falsely accuses Ukraine of committing genocide. Achieving his goals in the East is the minimum he needs before he could end the operation and claim it a success. Russian forces already control large swathes of the south. Ukraine says the battle for Donbas is the biggest on European soil since World War II, but its president has vowed the military will fight for every centimeter of our land. What is Ukraine's Donbas? When Russia's leader talks about Donbas, he is not just referring to Ukraine's coal and steel producing area. He is highlighting two big eastern regions, Luhansk and Donetsk, which run from outside Mariupol in the south all the way to the northern border with Russia. Donbas is predominantly Russian-speaking, and after Russia seized Crimea in 2014, its proxy forces captured more than a third of Ukraine's east in a war that never came to an end. The Russian proxies created so-called People's Republics that nobody recognized, and Russia now plans to capture the rest of the east. Luhansk and Donetsk may be broadly Russian-speaking, but they are no longer pro-Russian. One Ukrainian opinion poll in May 2022 suggested 82% of Ukrainians in territory seized by Russia since the February 24 invasion had a negative attitude to Moscow. 1px transparent line. A month into the invasion, Russia scaled back its ambitions to capture the capital, Kyiv, and instead moved its focus to Donbas. By late March, it claimed to have controlled 93% of Luhansk and 54% of Donetsk, although that was certainly an overstatement. Ukraine's Volodymyr Zelensky declared in April that Russian forces had begun the battle for Donbas and that Ukrainian forces had long prepared for it. Russia is far from subduing the entire area, although if it captures the two big twin cities of Severodonetsk and Lysychansk, then all of Luhansk would be under its control.